Hi everybody, it's Linda. I thought I would bring you a little video of showing you some things I made recently. Okay, first off, this was a die, a hot air balloon and an outline from Carlene a few months ago. And this, I turned it into a shaker. I don't know if you can see that. I apologize for the lighting. Isn't that adorable? I had to try it out. Anyway, I decided to just leave it all one color. Like I didn't piece the basket a different color. I mean, I could, I guess. But anyway, I just thought I'd give it a try. So, shaker. Always fun. And I had ordered this Ferris wheel die from Nicole Silhouette. Or I think that's her name. I just saw it and just thought, what a great memory decks card that would be, right? So I took that and I made this. So, okay, let's see if you can see that a bit better. Okay, so I could have put a car in every, there's 12 spots. I only did 6, like every other one. And this does spin around, but the only issue is these guys you have to like manually adjust. Like they're just not as loose with, like everything's attached with brads, so they're just not loose. But isn't that adorable? Isn't that adorable? Now there's no room for me to put my information, but I just love it. I just love it. I had to make one. So someone will get that one day. That will go in my to give out pile. Now, I think I showed this in my last video, this macrame project that I made. My very first one, it was from Dollar Tree. I did the tie differently. I think they have it either like cut here or cut on the other side of this knot. But I just left it and made some knots evenly, or try to evenly space it out. But it doesn't matter. So I just hang it up actually at my fireplace that I face right when I'm sitting here. Anyway, not bad. I mean, you know, it's my first time. Instructions are, but you know. And then here's the rainbow. Again, I did the tie wrong, the loop. So there's the rainbow. Isn't that cute? I don't know what I was thinking. I like started to do this part. You do the loop first. That's the first thing or second thing you do. And I don't know what happened, but I didn't finish the instructions. But still, it doesn't matter. It hangs with that. These two hang together up in my fireplace, so I'm very happy about that. Anyway, that's all I've been doing because, of course, I have my stuff ready to be mailed out. So I think I'll probably go out to the post office tomorrow. They are open on Sundays, but I just figure with my luck, because I know they open on Sundays because of the pandemic, like because people were using more and more, you know, mail services. So I'm waiting for the day that they stop working on a Sunday. But anyway, I figure instead of just going out, because I don't really want to leave the house for today, I'll go tomorrow so I can finally get my packages in the mail. Anyway, that's it. That's all I've been doing. And I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.